I think this is a good time to show you how much we've accomplished here at Centro Educativo Suelo Sano. This is my favorite spot, the hammock on the balcony. And you can see one of our first projects, the composting toilet. And that's a swale you can see planted with new fruit trees over there. And then in this swale here are the 1-year-olds. I've got pera de agua, canela, anoni, coco, tamarindo, mamey, aguacate, higo, zarzamora, and platano. And then behind that is another swale that has the 2-year-olds, our first fruit trees planted. You can see a mango there with bananos. There's a níspero. There's a melocotón. We've got a banana circle planted back there. And a papaya. And another aguacate. And then in front of the swale are a bunch of yucca that we're slowly digging out and eating. You can see one of them almost dug out. I've eaten a couple of those today. And then down here will someday be our kitchen with our sink installed now. Inside here is one area that is big enough to sleep a person. And then down here I have my mosquito net set up with my bed. This is a little bit bigger space here. The upper walls are still not quite finished. We're working on it little by little. You can see where we've extended the floor. It's going to be an earthen floor. It's a long process. We've got a bed here ready for guests. And over there we have the banco, the bench, covered with caña and other building supplies. That also will be a place to sleep or take meals. Let's see here. This is our current kitchen situation. And another future sleeping area here, also full of lumber. Yeah, out into our future food forest. Here's a guayaba we couldn't see from above. Got some composting areas. And this is some fun stuff we did on one of our workshops. Still needs some extra work, but we had fun making those designs. Back to our composting toilet. And you can see our first artistic works still in progress. Everything is a work in progress. And there's our wonderful balcony. Thank you for joining us. And hope to see you here in Escamaquita, Nicaragua at Centro Educativo Suelo Sano. Ciao.